get asked a lot, where do they sell frozen anchovies that everybody seems to be using at Lake Mead? So there are several places you can buy it. I'm gonna show you several places where they sell frozen anchovies, so stick around. At Walmart, if you go to the fishing section, behind the counter there's this freezer. And in the freezer, this is where they are. And what I like to do is always periodically check the clearance section. So sometimes you'll find lots of fishing stuff, and sometimes, so they have like these, you know, little things, little weights, little hooks. Oh wow, here on the bottom they have all these like power baits, different worms. They're all pretty much half price, so you know, because there are clearance stuff, you don't know what they're gonna have. Some days they'll have few, sometimes they'll have more, and some days there's really not that many fishing stuff, but I think right now there are quite a few. Zoom worms, robo worms, even this power bait, like these are regularly almost $6, so they're $3 now. There are these little lights for boating and kayaking. See a little bait caster, 27, usually 54. So here's a big plain old tackle box. It's 55 down to 40. So. Something you're looking for. Got a little buddy heater here. And there's some like kayak paddles. What? Wait a minute. Oh my god, this is all clearance stuff, fishing stuff. So there are quite a few even fishing poles right now, both bait casters as well as spinning, some combos, even all the power baits for those who go trout fishing. Some are like $2. So you never know. So it's always good to check if you're in the Walmart clearance section just to see what's available. So I've never seen this many fishing stuff on clearance on one day, so I'm kind of surprised myself. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So Sunset Market and Liquor Store also sells frozen anchovies as well as sardines and other bait. What's great about them is they are open 24/7, 7 days a week. So if you're heading out to Lake Mead early in the morning, you can still stop by there and get your frozen baits. Again, it's a market, so you can get your ice, drinks, etc., coffee. So it's a great store. How much are the frozen anchovies here?
They're $4.99.
$4.99. Okay. Thank you. So I know there are several Big Five sporting goods stores here in Nevada or around Las Vegas area. But as far as I know, the Big Five Sporting Goods on South Boulder Highway is the only store that carries frozen anchovies. And when you go in the store, you won't see it on the sales floor because it's in the back. So you'll have to ask one of the clerks or whoever's at the register up front. Just tell them you're interested in purchasing frozen anchovies, and they'll bring it from the back. They also sell night crawlers, just in case you were wondering. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you in a day or two. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one.